We all know that taxes serve a vital purpose, funding essential public services and infrastructure. But the UK tax system is hideously complex. Not only is it difficult to navigate, but its complexity creates opportunities for abusive tax avoidance and cunning financial schemes. Some taxes actually hold back economic growth. This hurts businesses and households, damaging public services and investment. Over time, this does great harm to the UK economy. That's why the UK's leading business network, the Institute of Directors, is calling for a revolution in the tax system. Our starting point is simple. We believe that taxes should be simple, low, fair, and compulsory. They should be focused on the money they raise and their wider economic impact. They should not be punishing, confiscatory, or overly complex. Reform must be radical. Anything short of this will complicate even further the web of taxation that already holds the country back. So where do we start? Well, we believe that taxes collecting below £5 billion a year should be challenged regularly, with a view to their repeal or merger with other taxes. Taxes collecting more than £5 billion a year should be simplified and reduced over time to incentivize both businesses and individuals. While authentic tax planning must be protected, tax evasion and abusive tax avoidance must be prevented. It's not just about businesses. It's also about letting people keep more of the money they make. So on personal taxation, we want to see a triple lock, where all tax bands increase each year by the highest of consumer price inflation, earnings growth, or 2.5%. This will provide every taxpayer with the same certainty already enjoyed by those on the state pension, and it will end the scandal of fiscal drag, where more and more people are dragged into tax bands that were never meant for middle earners. We're also calling for excessive marginal rates to be scrapped, where clawbacks from child benefit and the personal allowance hit people with a marginal tax rate that spikes to 60% or more. The 45p additional rate of income tax should also be scrapped, and under no circumstances should it revert to the damaging 50p rate. Capital gains tax and inheritance tax should be merged, so capital is only taxed once, upon the overall gains generated. This would make the taxing of capital simpler and fairer. Reforming business rates and focusing business tax cuts on middleweight entrepreneurial businesses will unleash enterprise and encourage further growth. Freeing businesses, families, and entrepreneurs from the burdens of complex taxation and excessive tax rates will ensure that they can focus on creating jobs, wealth, and opportunity. We don't underestimate the challenge faced. Reform is complex, and there are many obstacles in the road. But to give ourselves the best chance as a country to ensure our prosperity, the tax system must be simplified. Simplification and reform must be radical. We need nothing short of a tax revolution. Join the revolution at the Institute of Directors.